What's up, guys? Today we're fishing at the Osage River for bass and catfish. So here is what I'm using for catfishing today. We got a nice catfish rod. Here's my rig. For bait today, we've got some good old barbecued hot dog, 80-pound monofilament leader, some beads, 2 or 3 ounce weight, 7-ounce size circle hook. So let's get her out there. Rod set up right over there. That's where our bait is. So yeah, that is what we're going to be throwing today for some bass. Oh, yeah, this is really muddy. Oh, wow. Okay, we're good. I just realized, guys, there is a bunch of cut up crappie in the water. Man, they must have ate good. We just got a crawdad. Oh, yeah. Look at him. Look at this big, tough guy. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's so scary. Say hi. I'm gonna use you for something. Oh, we got live bait. I'll keep him in there until my friend comes. He's supposed to be here in a little bit. Hopefully he didn't damage my soft plastic too bad. And it looks like it's still good. Oh, yeah. Yeah, 6 tenths is good. Let's go. This back out there. Wow, a lot of water came out of that. Hopefully we can catch something today, guys. Well, technically we've already caught a crawdad, so that's good, I guess. Might put him on my catfish rod or something. I don't know what I'll do with him. I might just release him back. We'll do something with him. Oh, come on. Wish I had a GoPro. That'd be pretty nice. Pretty expensive though, so I might have to work a little bit for it, but I think I'll eventually get one. I'm filming on an iPhone 16 right now, so I got it zoomed out to 0.5, trying to get the real everything in here, but it's hard, but I'm trying my best, so hopefully y'all like the video quality from now on. Instead of me filming on an SE, I got a 16 now, so that should be better. A little better quality, so yeah. As y'all see there, that drops off pretty good right there, so try casting here a little bit, see what happens. Maybe we could get on the 10-pounder. I doubt it, but we'll try. Friend's here, so that'll be fun. We're on the bridge now, so, and that sucks. He's here. All right, let's get back out there. Doing a little bit of stuff with my friends, so let's get back to fishing. There we go. I think this is a good camera angle. I think this might be more of a long-form video. Try out long-form videos. See if anybody likes them. If not, I'll just stick to short videos and shorts maybe. But yeah, I'd hope if you guys would leave some feedback in the comments. That'd be nice. I'm gonna rig up my ultralight. kind of an ultralight for some grass carp, so we'll have that out too. Got a whole piece of bread on a little hook, so and we'll get that out there. We're gonna go over to that. Here, can you move real quick? We're gonna go over to that log right there. Yeah. Look yet, so we're gonna hit a different spot up. Pretty nice outside. No luck yet. He got his line wrapped around his rod. Oh, I got a 10-pounder.
More like 10 ounces.
No. How about a whale?